Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1041 points to a malfunction within the front wiper motor of the 2023 Honda Accord. This code is generated when the body control module, BCM, detects an internal failure signal sent from the windshield wiper control unit or the motor itself. Essentially, the BCM monitors various components to ensure proper operation. When it identifies a fault, it logs this code for further investigation. It is important to not just replace components blindly. Understanding the root cause helps in applying the correct solutions. This presentation will guide through the troubleshooting process for the B1041 error. The B1041 error relates specifically to the front wiper motor and its control unit, located in the vehicle's engine compartment. The windshield wiper control unit is responsible for controlling the operation of the wiper motor based on input from the driver or environmental conditions. This unit receives electrical signals to operate the wipers at varying speeds. The wiper motor itself is situated next to the firewall, connected to the wiper arms, and is responsible for the actual movement of the windshield wipers across the glass. The body control module, found under the dashboard, analyzes signals from various components, including the windshield wiper control unit. If the control unit experiences a malfunction, it communicates this issue to the BCM, which then stores DTC B1041 for diagnosis. Several factors can lead to the B1041 DTC being triggered. First, there could be an internal failure within the windshield wiper control unit itself, preventing it from sending or receiving necessary signals. Second, the wiper motor may be malfunctioning or completely inoperative due to wear or electrical issues, directly affecting its performance. Third, there might be a communication problem between the windshield wiper control unit and the body control module, which can stem from damaged wiring or poor connections. Each of these causes needs to be meticulously checked to determine where the fault lies, ensuring the right part is diagnosed and ultimately replaced or repaired. When DTC B1041 triggers, drivers might experience clear symptoms indicating something is wrong with their wipers. The most apparent symptom is that the front windshield wipers either do not operate at all or function inconsistently, such as stopping mid-operation. Additionally, the wipers could behave erratically, changing speeds unexpectedly or failing to return to their resting position. Furthermore, a warning light may illuminate on the dashboard, signaling an issue within the electrical system, specifically relating to wiper functionality. Recognizing these symptoms early can aid in timely troubleshooting and repairs, minimizing potential driving safety hazards. The first step in troubleshooting the B1041 code involves ensuring that the vehicle is in the correct mode. Start by turning the vehicle key to the on position, which powers up the electronic systems within the car. This is essential because all subsequent tests and conditions rely on the vehicle being in an on state. By doing this, you are providing power to the body control module, the windshield wiper control unit, and the wiper motor. This initial check is crucial to eliminate issues arising from inadequate power supply or incorrect system status during preliminary diagnostics, ensuring the reliability of your troubleshooting process. Once the vehicle is in the on mode, the next step is to closely investigate the wiring and connectors associated with the windshield wiper control unit and motor. Inspect all visible wiring for signs of damage, fraying, or wear that could disrupt electrical signals. A damaged wire can cause intermittent faults, leading to wiper malfunctions. Additionally, check the condition of connectors to ensure they are securely attached. Loose or corroded connections may also contribute to the control unit's inability to communicate with the body control module effectively. This inspection is critical, as many issues can stem from poor electrical connectivity, which may not be immediately obvious. Following the inspection of wiring and connectors, the next step involves testing the windshield wiper control unit itself. Using a diagnostic tool, such as the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is essential for accessing fault codes and data stored in the body control module. This diagnostic equipment can help you understand if the control unit is functioning correctly by providing specific fault codes related to its operation. If the tool reveals additional DTCs, you need to investigate those codes further, as they may help clarify the root cause of the malfunction. Accurate diagnostic capabilities will streamline the troubleshooting process and direct you towards necessary repairs. If, after thorough testing, the windshield wiper control unit or motor is identified as faulty, it will be necessary to replace the malfunctioning components. Installing a new windshield wiper control unit or motor must follow proper procedural guidelines to ensure compatibility and secure operation. After installation, it's vital to verify that the system now functions as intended without any issues. Rechecking the system's functionality will confirm that the replacement parts are operational and that the DTC B1041 no longer appears. This final step ensures the integrity of the repair and restores proper function to the windshield wipers, enhancing driver safety. After completing repairs related to DTC B1041, it is essential to verify that everything is functioning perfectly. Begin by clearing the DTCs stored in the body control module using the diagnostic tool, which allows you to reset the system. Next, test the windshield wipers in all operational modes to ensure consistent performance across varying speeds and conditions. This thorough testing will confirm that the components replaced are working correctly. Following this step, monitor for any recurring issues or symptoms that might suggest the problem was not fully resolved. Final verification is critical, as it guarantees that the repair has been successful and aligns with the manufacturer's standards for safety and performance. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B1041, it's critical to engage in regular preventive maintenance of the windshield wiper system. Regular inspections of the wipers can ensure that they are in good condition and functioning as intended, which helps identify wear before it leads to failures. Additionally, periodic checks of the electrical connectors for secure fittings and signs of corrosion will help maintain proper electrical flow. It's also advisable to keep windshield washer fluid at the correct levels, as inadequate fluid can place excess strain on the wipers during use. By adhering to these maintenance practices, vehicle owners can prolong the lifespan of their wiper components and mitigate potential issues effectively. In conclusion, addressing DTC B1041 requires a systematic approach to diagnosis and repair of the windshield wiper system in a 2023 Honda Accord. Identifying symptoms of malfunction early is paramount for safety and ensures timely intervention. Following detailed troubleshooting steps allows for effective resolution of the issues leading to the fault code. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance helps avoid future complications and promotes the reliable operation of the wiper system. Understanding the key components and their functions enables technicians to resolve problems efficiently while maintaining high safety standards. Remembering these crucial points will lead to better vehicle reliability and driver confidence on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.